Stop scrolling for a second and look at this. I will show you how to start making money today with Nano Banana. On the left is a basic product photo, flat lighting, plain background, nothing special. On the right looks like something from a professional brand shoot. Dramatic lighting, beautiful background, high-end vibes. Most people would assume this took a photographer, a studio rental, expensive equipment, and hours of editing. It didn't. It took about 30 seconds, and it cost $0. I made it using a tool called Nano Banana. Right now, most people are using tools like this to make funny pictures and random memes, and that's fine. But while they're playing around, you can be building real income streams. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 realistic, beginner-friendly ways you can turn Nano Banana into actual money. Some of these you can start tonight. Some of them can grow into serious online businesses. And none of them require you to be a designer or a tech genius. Let's get into it. First idea, restoring old photos. Everyone has old family pictures sitting on their phone. Blurry, grainy, bad lighting, maybe even damaged. With Nano Banana, you can upload those photos and have the AI rebuild the details. It sharpens faces, improves lighting, enhances clarity, and it keeps the people looking like themselves. You're not manually editing every detail. You're guiding the AI. Now imagine offering this as a service. You list your photo restoration service on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or you post in local Facebook groups. You charge per image. For you, it might take just a few minutes per order. For the customer, it's priceless. You're restoring a memory. It's emotional, it's simple, and it's a great way to earn your first dollar online. Next idea, YouTube and streaming backgrounds. There are millions of creators filming in their bedrooms who want their content to look more professional. They use green screens or virtual backgrounds. You can generate high-quality studio setups, neon gaming rooms, cozy book-filled offices, or podcast-style backdrops using Nano Banana. Bundle 30 or 50 images into a pack and sell it as a digital download on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. You create it once and sell it over and over again. That's the beauty of digital products. Idea number 3. Sticker designs. Nano Banana is surprisingly good at understanding styles. You can say, create a cute golden retriever sticker with a white border and flat vector style, and it gives you a clean print-ready design. You don't need to know how to draw. You upload your designs to print-on-demand platforms like Printful. They handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. You focus on creating designs people love. The more designs you upload, the higher your chances of consistent sales. Now let's move into services for businesses. You can do this as a complete beginner. Real estate agents struggle to sell empty houses because empty rooms feel cold and small. Traditional staging costs thousands of dollars. With Nano Banana, you can take a photo of an empty room and generate a fully staged version. Modern couch, stylish rug, wall art, plants, warm lighting. You can offer virtual staging as a service, charge per photo. If an agent needs 15 photos staged, that's a solid payday from one client. And once you find one agent, they often come back for every new listing. Now think about e-commerce. Many small Shopify or Amazon sellers only have basic white background product photos. That's not enough anymore. Customers want lifestyle images. They want to imagine the product in real life. With Nano Banana, you can take their product image and generate beautiful environments around it without changing the product itself. Now it's on a kitchen counter in soft morning light, or on a rock near a waterfall, or in a minimalist bathroom. You become a product visualization specialist without ever touching a camera. Another huge opportunity is thumbnails. Thumbnails drive clicks, clicks drive views, views drive revenue. Creators are always looking for ways to stand out. You can use Nano Banana to create custom assets like dramatic expressions, glowing text effects, piles of cash, futuristic robots, or cinematic backgrounds. Then you offer custom thumbnail creation services on Fiverr or Upwork. Charge per thumbnail. If you get just 5 clients per week, that can quickly turn into serious side income. The next idea is so good. Small businesses struggle to post consistently on social media. They run out of photos. They don't have time for photo shoots and lack creativity. You can offer monthly content packages. Let's say it's a bakery. You generate 30 branded images, pastries on marble counters, cozy cafe scenes, close-ups of fresh bread, seasonal specials, all aligned with their color palette and vibe. They get a full month of content delivered in one go. You get paid every month. That's recurring revenue at its finest. Now let's think bigger. The next one can easily make you double your 9-to-5 salary. Fashion brands need models. Photo shoots are expensive. Coordinating locations, photographers, lighting, makeup, it adds up fast. With Nano Banana, you can create a consistent virtual model and generate lookbook-style images of that model wearing different outfits in different settings. For small or startup clothing brands, this can dramatically lower costs. You offer them affordable, professional-looking visuals that help them compete with bigger brands. Another powerful idea is ad creative testing. Companies running paid ads need variations, different backgrounds, different models, different colors, different moods. Testing is everything. With Nano Banana, you can generate dozens of variations in a short amount of time. You help businesses test faster and find winning ads quicker. That alone can save them thousands in ad spend. And when you help a business make more money, they don't mind paying you. Finally, you can combine everything into a full branding package. New businesses need logos, banners, product images, social media graphics, and visual direction. You can use Nano Banana to generate initial concepts, mood boards, and design directions. Then package it all into a brand launch kit. Instead of charging for one image, you charge for a complete visual system. This is where you move from small gigs to high-ticket services. Now here's the important part. You do not need to do all 10 of these. You don't need to master everything at once. Pick one, just one. Maybe it's photo restoration. Maybe it's thumbnails. Or you want to create beautiful product photos. Test it this weekend. Create a few samples. Reach out to a few potential clients. Post your offer online. The biggest difference between people who make money with new technology and people who don't is speed of action, not experience level. If you found at least one idea in this video that made you think I could actually do that, then this video did its job. Thanks for watching.